In this video, I am going to show you how to add contact form in WordPress website. So let's get started. So this is contact us page of our WordPress website, and today we are going to add contact form to it. So to do this, at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard, and from here we are going to install a plugin. So we are going to hover over plugins and then click on add new. Here we are going to search for WP Forms, and we are going to install and activate this first plugin. And after that, we are going to scroll down and click on create your first form, or from the left menu we are going to hover over WP Forms and then click on add new. We can go with the blank form, or we can use the pre-built contact forms from here. So we are going to select this simple contact form, and after that we are going to click use template. So this is the form that we have just created using the pre-built templates. Now if you want to see your form, just click on preview from the top, and here is the preview of our form. Now if you want to edit the form, add more fields, or delete any existing field, just go back to your WordPress website dashboard again. Now select the field, and from here you can change its label. Label is the text that show up on our form field, like this one. Like I will change it to first and last name. Now if you want to delete this form field, just click on this delete button from here and it will be deleted. Now if you want to add any other form fields to your form, just click on add fields. Some of the form fields are free while others are paid. So these are the paid form fields, but we are going to use the free form fields. Let's say I want to add a form field for the phone number. So I will just select this single line text and it will be added. So now I am going to select it and change its label. So I will add phone number here, and we can set it to required or optional. So I will set it to required. And now if you want to change its position, then you can drag it. And after that, just click on save. So now we are going to add this form to our pages. So we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard and then click on pages and all pages. We are going to edit this contact page with Elementor. And here we need to add our form. So we are going to search for a widget WP form. So here it is. So we are going to drag it to our page. Now we are going to select the form from here that we have just created, simple contact form. And after that we are going to click on update. Now we will go back to our contact page and refresh it. And as you can see that our form is now added to our contact page. So now if you want to add this contact form to the post, just go back to your WordPress website dashboard, click on post and then all posts. Now edit your post. And now click on plus button from here and search for WP Forms. Select WP Forms. Select the form that we have just created. And here you can see that our form is now added. Now click on update from the top and then click on view post. So as you can see that our form is now also added to our WordPress post. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.